how to move a folder from one location to another location under Windows 10 using the command prompt. So I have a folder here, it has a few files and it has a subfolder with another few files. Okay, so let's see how to move this one. Come to the start menu, type in CMD, click on the command prompt. It doesn't have to be administrator. Let's use the robocopy function, robocopy, and /move so that it will move one folder to the other, and we have to use /e to move the subfolder also, and we have to specify from where to move. That is in this case the D drive test folder, D /test, and we have to specify where to move it. In this case is the E drive, and we also have to specify the destination folder once again. Let's call it test, because otherwise the content of this folder will be spread out here on the E drive, so it's not moving the folder also but only the content. So that's why you have to specify the destination folder once again. Okay, after I press enter, then this folder will disappear from the D drive and it will appear on the E drive. So press enter, and voila, nothing here, and it appeared there. And if we enter into it, there's the subfolder and there are the contents. So don't forget to specify the /e command, which is here, in order to move the subfolders also from one location to the other location.